Hi, I'm Jessie with the Public Library, and today I'm going to be making a terrarium out of a glass. So first you're going to start with some small rocks with sand to help with drainage. And then after that you're going to put in some potting soil. And then I'm going to transplant this plant over. So I have not done this before. I am not much of a gardener, so let's see how this goes. Oh, chicken. I'm gonna set it in there. Fit in. The soil that's already there. If you think it could use a little more soil, then you can add some. You want about an inch of soil in there. And then after that, you can add some rocks. That again helps with some drainage and keeps it from getting moldy. If you want, you can add a little bit of moss, which I think I will. Wasn't sure if I wanted to add some or not, but now that I'm doing it, thinking I may as well. And the good thing about these is that it is not hard for them to look good. As long as you have well, plants always look good, right? So as long as you have a plant in there, it looks okay. If you would like materials, we'll have 10 bags of these available at Megato Public Library with all you need to do this yourself. It's pretty easy to find. I just went to the secondhand store and grabbed some glasses. I grabbed some wine glasses, some brandy glasses, a couple of just ones that I don't actually know what they were for, but they were 50 cents and they looked cool. So there was that. And then you need potting soil, maybe moss, gravel or sand for the drainage. And if you're going with a plant, I did not use a succulent. You would probably want to use a succulent or a cacti because they require less water and then they need less drainage because there's no drainage holes at the bottom of this. So any water that goes in is staying there. Have a great day!